Hey everybody, welcome to another 7 a.m. game of Piss Off Your Neighbors. Oh, I hope they don't hate me. What a purty morning. Purty. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another moto vlog. D-Cycle here on a Tuesday morning. Gonna be a short work week this week. Looking forward to a nice long holiday weekend. Woo! It's a nice cool wind when you're getting up in the desired speeds. So I hope you all are doing well. I had a good weekend. I know I did. I had a buddy who had a diaper party I attended. Made some good food. Went out on the pontoon boat out on the lake. Even found a tire swing in a slough. No, not a tire swing, but like a rope swing. Felt like we were filming Grown Ups 3. God, I woke up pretty sore the last 2 days using muscles I haven't used in a long time. So I had a question I was wanting to ask all you guys. Been doing a lot of research online and forums and asking, Facebook groups and everything about what oil you prefer using in your bikes. Now, if you don't know, I have a 2014 Harley-Davidson Iron 883. And I know the manual calls for Harley-Davidson synthetic 20W50. Actually in both holes. But as you saw from one of my last videos, in my primary case, I switched over to gear oil, and I've been seeing some better results after that in the clutch adjustment. But as far as my engine oil, when I first got the bike, just to make sure I started fresh, I just went with a regular mineral oil. It was a Valvoline 20W50 motorcycle oil, and it did fine. Now, when I hit 5,000 miles, I did my own service, and I went with the Mobile One 20W50 full synthetic V-twin oil, and it's worked pretty well, no complaints. But I don't have much experience with motorcycle oil other than these two, and I know there's a lot of good ones out there people rave about. I know people rave about Redline, Royal Purple. Some people just stick to the OEM oil, the Harley-Davidson stuff, because it's recommended. But I mean, just because it's recommended, that doesn't mean what you have to use. But when I looked at videos on YouTube or whatever, a lot of people recommended the Mobile One. It's been pretty good. Haven't had any problems. Engine runs pretty well. Let me know though in the comments below, what do you guys use for your oil in your Harley or whatever bike you have. If you have a sport bike, let me know what oil you use. I'm not sure how it works with these sporties. But nothing else is new right now. I did place my order for D-Cycle shirts for batch number 2. 2Xs will be available. I know a couple of you have been asking for 2Xs when they come available. They will be available probably next week or so. So if you wanna hold your spot for a 2X, go ahead and give me a shout in the comments below, and I'll work out something with you, because if we need to ship it, make sure I want to get you the cheapest shipping rate possible. So I'm looking forward to this Memorial Day weekend. I think on Friday we're taking the day off from work. Me and my wife are going to take our boys down to the St. Louis Zoo. Always a good time. And I know we have Italian American Days over in the town next to us too. That's just a little carnival fair that we have every year over there. And then it comes to our town the next weekend. So we'll have stuff for the kids to do the next 2 weekends. We usually have a family cookout. Starting to feel like summer's here already. Usually always spring seems like the shortest season, especially this year. It stayed cold for a long time, and then it got nice for a couple weeks, and then boom, we got summer weather. But the best part about it, everybody's out riding their bikes. I love it. So we only got a few more weeks until the ride down at Ted's Harley-Davidson for Bikers Against Autism. Here's the flyer here for it again. I'm looking for some people to ride down there with me and participate in the ride. I think I may have one or two going, but I would love to get a bigger group down there for that. So if you guys want to go and you're in the area, please hit me up. We'll go down and support a good cause. Take a ride down the River Road, over down Metro St. Louis. Should be a good time. So I'm going to leave you with a little music. This track I'm going to feature now is actually the first band that I was ever in, with a couple of my cousins and a friend of ours. The name was Omelas, and we recorded this album down in St. Louis, Missouri. Probably, I don't know, 2003, 2004. The song is called No Longer Gray. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you all have a good week. Take it sleazy. I'll see you in the next video.